Today, on the World Book Day, I wish to speak about the topic which is very close to my heart, and that is reading and books. Books are the entities which take us to places which we cannot visit in real time. Books are the roads, they are the trains, they are the planes that make us complete a journey. I think they are the journey itself. We have a lot of genres in books. We have fantasy books, fiction, autobiographies, and mythological books, and then inspirational ones. I also like a lot of books. I think this is just a small nook of reading which I have created just for myself because I love reading. Since I was a small child, I love to read. If I do not get a book to read anywhere, I start reading the labels on the bottles. So that is what I like to do because reading had taught me a lot when it comes to expressions, when it comes to put my feelings into words. Hi, please sit down here. So he wants to chill out with me. So he was so surprised to know that even at this time and the profile I have in the community, I still love to read children's books as well as the detective mystery novels. But there's one book which I want to mention over here, and the book is by Mr. Robin Sharma, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Now this is a wonderful book which changed the perspective of life for me, and I hope to many others. It's a story about a lawyer who was completely living an out of balance life, and just a simple heart attack that he had made him deviate to a spiritual path and the path where he learned a lot of wisdom nuggets. So everything about how we have to cherish our relationships, how we have to find joys in simple things, and how we have to have a self-disciplined life. We have to act courageously and value time is what this book talks about. And I love this book, and I would definitely refer this book to every reader because I am a voracious reader, and I would like this particular book to be read by everyone who wishes to read a good book. So this is what I will promote. Thank you so much, and a very happy World Book Day ahead.
A room without books is like a body without soul. Books transport us to an entirely new world of learning. Books not only help us to build our vocabulary, but it also reduces our stress. Books are your best friend indeed because they don't ask anything in return. They just believe in giving you. So let's together read on this World Books Day today. I have one of my book as a collection. It's named as Jugaad. I really like this book because it has taught me that even in the rural India, there are many people staying there who work for the betterment of their lives. They have all the minimal jugaads that make their life easy. We have so talented people in our country who are there inventing every now and then. So this is for you, little children. Do follow all the scientific things that you can do at home, and you can be the little inventors. Keep reading, keep exploring. Bye-bye. Happy reading.
Good afternoon. It is rightly said, books are our best friends. Yes, those are our best friends because they help us to deal with many hard and tough situations. Here is a book written by Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die. It is an excellent book where I have gone through. It states that when you were born, the world rejoiced, whereas you cried a lot. But you have to leave the world in such a manner, creating your own identity, that you will rejoice, whereas the world cries. So keep on reading, love reading. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It is rightly said that books are your best friend. And in the current situation, you all must be experiencing that when you have to keep social distancing, they are the books only that accompany you. They give you the knowledge, they give you pleasure. And from them, one of my favorite book is Tales from Shakespeare. And in this, The Merchant of Venice, Comedy Errors, these are really amazing to read. So everyone, be it any book, just read books. Thank you all.
Each book is a magical door to world of imagination. So for an ardent reader, it's very hard to choose one book which is special to him or her. So on this World Book Day, I would request you to keep reading and keep exploring the amazing world of imagination and creativity. Wishing you all a very happy World Book Day.
Books are magical keys to open up world and change perspectives. Hello everyone, it's World Book Day today. I would like to suggest you to read a book which I have read, The Immortals of Meluha. This book has philosophy as its underlying theme, but it also has adventure of lifetime. As they say, sleep is good, but reading book is better. Keep reading.
Hello book readers. You can read storybook, you can read novels. I like to read Family Encyclopedia because this book contains colorful photographs, examples, fact-filled articles which are useful for school project ideas. Some authors also added their experience in this book. So you can also read this book. Happy World Book Day to you all. Thank you.
Hi, somebody has rightly said that a room without books is like a body without a soul. Reading expands our minds. It fills our mind with different ideas. It makes ourselves young and sharp. I enjoy reading different books. I am an avid reader of historical fictions, scientific facts, as well as detective and mystery stories. Among the books that I have read, 2-3 books I enjoy reading the most, and those are Made in Japan by Akio Morita, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, and The Secret. Today I'll be talking about Made in Japan by Akio Morita. Made in Japan by Akio Morita is the story of Sony, how Sony company was built up. Akio Morita is the founder and chairperson of Sony. This book illustrates about how Japanese products are made and what is their value now in the marketplace. This story tells us about how Japan rebuilt themselves after Second World War, how it was devastated and how it could rebuild the nation with the help of youths and scientists, and how they maintained the integrity of the nation. So I would suggest all of you to read this book Made in Japan, as well as the book Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It is available in different languages, and it will surely make you happy and building up your it will surely add up to your knowledge. So these two books I would definitely suggest to you all to read. Thank you so much.